walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, falling in love. It's true, this part of the year.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is not like other videos. We spent 5 hours on this and it took us a really long time. We were struggling for a while. And it's not like our other videos. It's way more different. We made a, drumroll please, a vending machine. A snack one. Here it is, guys. It's a 172 model for 50-inch screen TV. Okay, so it has a sign right here. It's froggy. It was so hard for us to draw it because it was so hard. And we have a froggy right here that I drew. I'm so good. And we have a mushroom right here, and we have a lily pad. We have chips. Chips. It's full of chips. Okay. Okay. Next part. It's cool how you can see through it, and you can just punch it, and you can get all the chips. But we have ruffles. Ruffles. You know, that's what they're called. Ruffles and Tostitos. All right. Tostitos. Wait, what is that? Fritos. That want to be free. The Fritos want to be free. Okay, at the bottom, you can hear all the chips falling. It has mushrooms. It says open snacks. Open for snacks. And you can see we dropped all them, so these are the boards. Hey guys, did you just hear me step on all the chips? This is the second part of the vending machine. Part 2. So we have a frog with a beard full with tomato sauce. And then we have a mushroom here that I drew. I'm so good. It says coins. And then it says money here because we're poor. Money. I'm gonna drop it. Whatever. Let's drop it. It has a froggy with food. And I drew this. I drew this. Okay, guys, also real. I drew it for real. It has a froggy with a heart. Wait. Ready? That's it for the second part. Let's put them together. Bea, I'm hungry. Oh, look it. There's a vending machine. Yeah, but Mom and Dad won't let us. They're not here. Oh, fine. It says coins only. Good thing I only have coins. Here you go. Thank you. Let's put some in. Eat it, frog. What does it say? It says open for snacks. How about we kick it? Look, we got chips, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay to the end to see our bloopers. Number 12. Here's today's advent calendar chocolate. It's a candle, lighting up our world. Here's today's joke. What do you call Santa as a bear? Santa Claus. Oh, I'm kind of hungry, Bea. Yeah, me too. Looks like there's no magic. Bea, I'm kind of hungry. Bea, I'm kind of hungry. Stop being dumb, Bea. Bea, I'm hungry. Bea, I'm hungry. Yeah, me too, but we just ate. I'm hungry. Oh my god, there's chips right behind us. Let's see if I got some change. Yes, free money!
Boy, guys, thanks for watching.